FabFitFun box in the mail. Here are your puppets. Take it away. So this month I did order add-ons. Y'all are gonna be like, girl, why? Let me show you what I got. I got another blanket. I am obsessed. If you all watch my videos, especially where I do FabFitFun unboxings, you know that I already have like more of these blankets. So I have a white one, like a cream colored one. I recently ordered the pink one. I have a gray one, and now I have the chocolate one. These blankets, you can see that it's shedding a little bit. Wow, the other ones didn't shed that much. But yes, baby. But these blankets are extremely soft. Yes.
I want to watch your videos.
Okay, go to the living room. Go tell Theo to help you.
Okay.
They're the unhide blankets. I think it's Ellen DeGeneres' brand. But they're basically like faux fur. So they're faux fur blankets. Let me open it for you all. And I don't know if you know, but FabFitFun, when you do add-ons, they're super discounted. So I think this blanket is like $60 and I got it for $30. Most of their stuff is discounted for like half off. And this is the small one. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this one's just like a throw blanket. It's the smaller one. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Why am I obsessed? And there's a little, they have like the little, here it is. So it has like the untied on the corner. Oh, jeez Louise. So one side's like the fur, and then the other side is like a velvet. These are amazing. I'm just gonna, since it's raining outside, I just want to cozy myself up in it. Oh, I love these blankets. They are pricey, but they have different sizes. So they have like for your bed and stuff. This one's the throw, like I had told you all, but they're so soft. So yeah, after 5 hours of talking about a blanket, let's set it aside. So I added that as an add-on. I'm pretty sure I thought I had added some bubbles. Oh, here they are. And then I added some Invisibubbles. I really like these. And I have clear and like some nude ones. And then these were like a clear and like a bronzy clear. Ahorita, baby. So those are my add-ons. And here is my regular box. So this month's box is big. I don't even remember what I chose. FabFitFun now lets you choose. If you do the yearly subscription, they let you choose all your products. If you do the what's it called? If you do the seasonally, you can choose, I think, almost all of them now. I don't remember. Something like that. But it's basically a seasonal box. It's $50 a season, so like $200 a year. If you get it for the year, it's cheaper. Oh, look. And this one's the fall box, which is my favorite. The fall and the winter are usually my favorite. Let's put it down. So there's always a little magazine, and this one just talks to you about the items. What's in your fall box? No, Gio. Okay. I guess they didn't put the horoscope. They used to put like a horoscope at the end. You know how like magazines have it? Not anymore, I guess. Oh, they sent samples. Cool beans. So they sent a little deodorant spray. I'm gonna carry this in my backpack. And they sent some more HelloFresh coupons. I like when they send samples. So they have the little deodorant sample. Good. And then this is like my favorite scent. I use Dove deodorant. So this is a scent that I usually buy. The cucumber one. Is it that one? Yeah, it is. It's a spray though. I don't really use the spray. Let me see. Yeah, it's the cucumber one. Look, babe, en mi FabFitFun me vino una little deodorant sample. I'm gonna put it in my backpack.
No, no puedo salir.
Go.
No, salir.
No, you can't. Go
No
away.
se lavan los platos.
Let's set it aside. Let me. Where's my phone? Oh, I'm recording on my phone. I was gonna pull up like the stuff that you could have chosen, so that I can know what I chose.
No, como él. No.
Yeah, hold on.
I'll be outside.
You're gonna go sit outside?
Sí.
You can't go outside because you're not wearing shoes. No. Okay, so I guess the first thing that I chose was this little Coach jewelry set. I heard that Coach is making a comeback. They had like stopped. They had like, this romper fits me really big. They had stopped, not that they had stopped, they were always selling things, but I had stopped seeing them so much, and recently, apparently they're making a comeback. So it comes in this little bag. Oh, it's so pretty. And I mostly got this because I don't really have, I mostly got them because I don't really have like rose gold jewelry. So I was like, let me buy it. Or let me choose it. Come on, put it on your foot. He's like, so I can go outside now? Okay, 5 years later. So it's just little rose gold set, and there's the little flowers and then the little circle. And I think the little circle says Coach. Yeah, the little circle says Coach. It's really cute. So I chose this. She wants to go play outside, but everything's really wet. It started raining again. Then I got, oh yeah, I got this. So usually you can get up to 8 items. You can choose up to 8 items, but the thing is, so you choose 5 customizations, and then the last customization is either one high priced thing, like one high priced item, or 3 smaller items, or 2 like mid-range items. So depending on what you choose, that's how many things you'll get. So you'll get, Gio, hurry up. Gio. So you'll get 6 to 8 items. In my other customization, they didn't really have that many good things. So I just got this body wash. Let me open it so I can smell it. It's from Course. I don't even know what that brand is. It's Course. And it's like a grape. It says Santorini Grape Renewing Body Cleanser. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells really good. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited for that. So that's 1, 2. Where's my jewelry? Then I chose this packable backpack from APL. The all-purpose something. I don't know if that's the brand. This is brand APL. You can wash it. It says hand wash. So I'm all about packable stuff. Things that take up less space. So I'm guessing we just pull it out of here. Let's see. Oh wow, it's sturdy. Wow. So once you undo it, like once you look, it's so pretty. So this one turns into a pocket, and it has a little hook so you can put your keys, I guess. And it's a pocket. And then would that be the back? Oh, that's the back. This is the front. Sorry. So and it has that little hidden compartment in the back, and this is the front. It has another little compartment in the front. Then it has 2 mesh for your water bottles or whatnot, your disinfectant sprays. And then it has the main compartment, which is just like a big open space. So the main one's just a big open space. But then down here, it has like extra padding, I guess in case something spills or something. That's really pretty. And then on the whoa. On the inside compartment, there's a little like leopard. I don't know if you guys can see it. And that one has little pockets. It has one big pocket and then one smaller pocket that kind of looks like for pens or something. Or whatever you want to use it for, obviously. This is nice. I like this. And then let's see if we can pack it again by ourselves. That is so nice. And then once you pack it, you can use this little clip to hang it from your whatever. That's nice. I really like this. This is really nice. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? Heineken. Is this another sample? It is another sample. I got a sample of a Heineken. What the heck? It's a little baby beer. Flaco, they sent me a sample beer.
What?
They sent me a sample of a beer.
Nombre.
Yes, a little baby Heineken.
Cool.
Pues I don't drink beer, so you can have it. So then, hold on. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 items. 4. I got a shea and moringa balm. And it's just a moisturizing hand and body balm. I really like to use these like on my elbows. My elbows used to be really rough and I've taken much better care of them. Oh, it's thick. What, baby?
To get to our room.
Oh my god, it's really thick.
To Jella.
It's not coming out. Let's put some on my... I should use these for my feet too. My heels, because I'm always barefoot. So my heels are really dry. Well, it's very soothing. It's not bad. It's really, really hard to try to get out. But I'll try this later. So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. So I only opted for 6 items because I got like a higher priced item. And it's another bracelet, but I don't have that much like fancy jewelry, like going out jewelry. All my jewelry is really simple, like this, like my little earrings. Like I have really simple jewelry. So I wanted something that was more like a statement piece. And I got this bracelet from this brand named Jenny Bird. And I searched it and apparently it's an expensive brand, so. But I got this bracelet. Hopefully it fits me because I do have a really, really big wrist. So I have a hard time finding bracelets that fit me. It's gonna fit, I think. It fit. This is beautiful. So it's just like a cup. Oh my god. It has like different... This is really pretty. I'd probably tie it one more. It's just that I need help doing it, but this is really pretty. I love it. This is really beautiful. And it's heavy. It's like a hefty bracelet. This is really nice. And then my last item is... You're gonna be like, girl, stop. It's another blanket. And then the winter box usually comes with blankets too, so we'll see. So this is a little waffle throw blanket, and I loved the color. I fell in love with the color. It's from Our House. Our House. It's a waffle blanket. It's 50 by 60 inches. It was founded in 1986 with a passion to provide unique, high-quality, well-designed home furnishings. It's 100% cotton. I'm excited. The boys usually take all my blankets. Like all my, like these, the unhide ones, they fight for them. So thank God I have multiples now. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is a big blanket.
Delicious.
So it's pretty thin. It's not like thick. Linda baby. Tiago has like so many of these little humexes. He's obsessed. Which one's your favorite?
The mango.
The mango's his favorite, and he tried the strawberry one. He liked it, but it's not his favorite. But since he was little, he's been obsessed with the mango one. And then recently at HEB, he found the cans, so I had to buy him like 1 million cans.
Mommy. Mommy.
Take your mango.
Mommy.
What?
Can you guys speak?
Yes, you can get an ice cream.
Yay.
So this is the blanket. It's pretty long. I don't know. I have my arms outstretched here, and it still kind of hangs down.
I got ice cream.
It's a waffle blanket. Oh, and I'm gonna wash sheets today, so I'll wash them today. Hey, the color. Look at the colors next to each other. Ay, so fall, so fall. I think that's it, right? Yeah, I got my 6 items. So it was the blanket, the backpack, the Coach necklace, the bomb that didn't want to come out, the body wash, and then the Jenny Bird bracelet. And then I got my little free Heineken. So now I have to go wash clothes, guys.